Hi guys, this is your DIY mechanic again, and I have here today a Hondai Accord 2010, popularly known as Evil Spirit in this part of the world. And just want to quickly show you guys something, as a DIY mechanic, something you can easily do, by yourself. So take a look at this. Look at the dashboard. I want to show you something. Can you look at it? That's the trafficator light. I'm trafficating to the left. You can see the way it's flicking. Now let me take it to the right. Did you notice something? Let me take it to the left again. You can see the one to the left is flicking, slowly. But look at the one to the right. It's flicking faster. So what does that tell us? That simply tells us that something is wrong with the right side of the trafficator. It's either the bulb or the wiring. But the easiest thing for us to do is to check the bulb first. So I'm going to go around the car. One of the bulbs is gone, or the wiring, to the right side, either the front or the back, I don't know. But from the dashboard, I can tell you that something is wrong with that side of the trafficator. So we're going to go, around the car, and we'll see which bulb or what's wrong. Let me just take us around. I'm taking us around right now, so you can see to the back here. It's trafficating, so that means this is okay. Let's go to the front. Let's check the front. You can see that the front is not trafficating, so we're sure that the bulb is bad. So we're going to go back, and put it off, and I'll change the bulb. We'll be back. Okay, I'm at the hood right now. Open up the hood. I want to change the bulb. So just bring out the reservoir, and should be right. Can we see that? There's even no bulb there. The socket is just laying there. Oh, that makes it a very easy fix. So just put the bulb, just fix it like that. Fix it like that. Okay, let's check back into the hole. The hole is right here. Put it back into the hole, and let's look at it from the front. You can see it's flat.